Hello children, welcome to 3rd standard English. Today our topic story Tenali Raman and the King's Condition. Part 1.
Children, let's get into the story Tenali Raman and the King's Condition. Children, do you know about Krishnadevaraya? Krishnadevaraya, the king of Vijayanagara Empire. He reigned over most of South India in the 16th century. He was one of the bravest kings of his time. His court was full of ministers, but Tenali Raman was the wisest of all. Krishnadevaraya used to depend upon Tenali Raman for his opinion on most matters. Always he asked his opinion. One night, Krishnadevaraya saw a strange dream. He saw a magnificent, magical palace. He saw in his dream. The palace was made of dazzling stones and it floated in the air. Dazzling means extremely bright. The palace, extremely bright stones and it floated in the air. The palace was huge and it had everything one could ask for. The palace was indeed magical. It could be lit up with 1,000 lights and could disappear into the darkness in a jiffy. The palace full of 1,000 lights brightening. On the next day, King Krishnadevaraya summoned all his ministers to the court. He told them about his dream and about the magical palace. King Krishnadevaraya made a public announcement that he would give 100,000 gold coins to the person who would build him the palace that he saw in his dream. He wants to build the magical palace. What did he see in his dream? He announced that who will build my dream palace, I give 100,000 gold coins to that person. The courtiers as well as the people were startled at the king's announcement. Peoples got shocked because everyone knew that a palace floating in the air could not be constructed. Children, what do you think? Can we build a floating palace? Okay, children. Then the ministers tried to convince the king, but he didn't listen anyone's words. When the courtiers tried to convince the king that such palace couldn't be built, Krishnadevaraya got angry. He threatened his courtiers that if they didn't find such a man, they all would be hanged. The frightened courtiers went to Tenali Raman for help. Children, do you know about Tenali Raman? Tenali Rama was a Telugu poet and advisor in the court of King Krishnadevaraya. He was also known as the court jester because of his wit and humorous. The senior minister told Tenali Raman, Tenali, only you can make King Krishnadevaraya understand that his wish to make a floating palace is impossible. Otherwise, our king will kill all of us. Like that, the senior minister told to Tenali Raman. Then Tenali Rama said, all of them that he would do something about the situation. Tenali Raman told one idea to the courtiers. Informed to Krishnadevaraya, they were trying to find a man who could build the magic palace. After a few days, a very old man came to meet Krishnadevaraya in his court. He begged for justice for King Krishnadevaraya. Krishnadevaraya asked, what happened to you, old man? Do not be afraid to tell me. You will receive justice. Like that, Krishnadevaraya told, children, do you think about that old man? Think yourself, children. We will continue in the next class. Before that, I ask some question from you. Are you ready? Okay, children. Krishnadevaraya court was full of ministers. Very good. Krishnadevaraya court was full of ministers. He saw a dream. He saw a strange dream. Okay, children.
Thank you, children. We will continue in the next video.